In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for this pop-up to show up. When it does, hit remove and confirm your choice in the second pop-up. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. In order to restore it, you can pinch your device's display, click on Cards at the bottom, and scroll all the way down to access classic widgets. Then hold Google search bar, drag it, place it, and let go. Tap on Home button, and to adjust its size, hold it again and drag it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!